Hey, Saspreneurs, welcome back to day 16 of our 30-day high-level mastery challenge. I apologize for the week-long silence. I was terribly sick. As you can hear me, I still sound nasal, but I'm heaps better. And I don't mind falling off the track or losing momentum due to health reasons or genuine reasons. The biggest thing is you have to get back on track. So, after almost a week's break, here we are back on day 16. I hope you that gave you some time to catch up on the replays. I've had some great feedback from people that are following this content on LinkedIn that said they're implementing all the learnings along with me. So I think you got the time to catch up. All right, so let's talk about delegation today. One of the big hurdles that I find most agency owners, most entrepreneurs, most business owners in general struggle is to let go of their control, let go of things. Delegation is key. And especially in the SaaS world, in the high level world, people struggle because they try to know it all and try to fiddle and do things, or they try to beat all. They do not value the dollar value of every hour of my time. Even when I was side hustling in my early days, the first thing that I did is hired a VA to do the job for me because I was getting a decent salary from my job. And if I'm going to invest some time out of my family and stuff, it has to be worth my time. I'm not going to do anything admin. I think that was very clear from the get go. And that was one of the trade that really, really helped me fast track very quickly is hiring people who know better than me. Like very recently, I've got a girl who has joined my team who is like an automation ninja. She can just zap things and show me automation and teach me stuff. Like I don't have to know those things as long as I can tell them this is what I want things to happen in the project management tool, and this is the update which has to go to the client, she is just doing magic. And that's it. All I have to do is sit back and make the interface better for my clients and for our own agency. So today I want you to list out all the tasks that you're doing which is not worth your time. Even you can, put it tabulated in the form of a table. Like these are the tasks that I do. I spend so many hours. This is an hour value of my time. So I actually spend $500 designing a bloody Canva file instead of spending $50 on Fiverr or Upwork. All right. So I want you to audit all the tasks that you do on a daily basis. Sit down. Weekends are perfect to do an audit about your entire day, the time where you spend the most, and then actually delegate the task that's not your skill set. Even automations, anything backend related, anything fiddly, anything admin, that's not my thing. Give me a camera, give me a Zoom room, give me internet, laptop, and I can just live life. That's just me. Okay. I love to talk and I love to do the whole strategy. I love selling. I love serving people. I love solving problems. And that's what I love doing. So I want you to identify what do you love doing and what brings the most income for your business, what brings the most impact, what increases your influence. Just focus on those activities and delegate the rest. All right. So, reminder today, do not try to be it all, do not try to do it all. All right. Let go of things that are not worth your time. I'll see you tomorrow.